Hoven Buy Investment Property Program. Just want to quickly talk to you about how to manage a vacant rental property and you need to do some maintenance. The fundamental rule that is important for us here is to make sure the property is still available for rent. We can claim as a tax deduction any repairs and maintenance on properties that are still available for rent, even if they don't have a tenant. But if we take it off the market and say that it's not available for rent, what's going to happen is the ATO is going to determine that you can't claim that in your annual tax return, and it would have to be an expense that forms the cost base, which means you could be waiting a long time to claim it. For these tips and more, go to Buy Investment Property Program, have a look, check it out, subscribe, enroll. It's all free.